Gotta be quick. Grab my phone, my keys, wear my shoes, and my coffee. Can't be late today. Why does this take so long to heat up a burger? When did I get this microwave? Has it been so long that it now takes the same amount of time to heat up food? Wait, is the microwave cooking me? Alright. Okay, now we wait. Hold on. Did I set the timer for too long? Maybe I should lower it. No, let's check the back. No, way lower. It's done? Damn, microwaves are supposed to be fast. Wait, what is she having? It looks spicy. My burger has been in the microwave for an hour. Shit. 30-second challenge. Be back from the bathroom before this microwave hits 0. The meal is piping hot. Why is this cold in the middle? The outside's the Nether Fortress, inside's Elsa's palace. Damn. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because it's free. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.